Yes, okay, so now we're going to do the second page. It's Systems of Equations, Practice of Substitution and Elimination. Okay, so right here we're going to do number 1. Let me get my marker out. Number 1. Okay, so remember, we're looking for the one that's solved. Well, we already know x is solved here. So instead of x in the second equation, we're going to put all this in for x. So that's going to transfer into the x. So I'm going to keep my 3, but instead of x, we're going to write negative y plus 5. And that one, and keep everything we had before, minus y equals 7. So now I distribute. So I do 3 times negative y, 3 times 5. So I have negative 3y plus 15 minus y equals 7. Now we combine our like terms. So I'll do negative 3y minus y, which will give me negative 4y. Plus 15 equals 7. Subtract 15 from both sides. So then I have negative 4y equals, what would that give me? Negative 7 minus 15. Let's see, that would give me negative 8. Divide both sides by negative 4. I get y equals 2. Now remember, we're not done. Now I gotta take my y equals 2, and we gotta put it back into one of our problems. So I'm looking at this one. That top one looks way easier to me. X equals negative y plus 5. So now anywhere there's a y, we're gonna put in a 2. So x equals negative 2 plus 5. So then x equals 3. So then my answer would be 3, comma 2. And that's how we do substitution. Okay? So wherever we have that variable equals, so remember, x is here, y is here, so these are the ones that are solved. So anywhere there's a y or there's an x that's solved, we're going to put those ones into the other equation. Okay, so anywhere there's an x in this one, in the top one, that's where 17 minus 3y would go. So for number 3, anywhere there's a y, 3 minus 2x would go in for y. Okay? So the second part of this one is elimination. So remember, with elimination, we're looking for the same coefficient, which is the number in front of the variable, and then I'm looking at the sign. So for this one, let me highlight some stuff. No, I guess I won't highlight. So we have our 5s are the same here, okay? And I have the different signs. So remember, different, sorry about that, different, we add. Sorry, different we add, same we subtract. Okay, since these ones are different, we're going to add. So let me erase this stuff. That means I'm going to add every single one of these. I'll take my first one, I'm going to add 3x plus 2x, so I have 5x. I'm going to add positive 5y plus negative 5y, which cancels. So that'd be a 0, and then I'm going to add 0 plus negative 25, which gives me negative 25. Divide both sides by 5. X equals negative 5. So boom. I'm not done now. Now I need to pick one. Which one looks easier? I'm going to go with the one with 0, just because 0 is pretty easy for me to work with. So I have 3x plus 5y equals 0. So now I know x equals negative 5. So anywhere there's an x, I'm going to put in negative 5, just like we did before. So 3 times negative 5 plus 5y equals 0. So I'll have negative 15 plus 5y equals 0. I'll add 15 to both sides. So I have 5y. 0 plus 15 is just 15. Divide by 5. Y equals 3. So my answer would be negative 5, comma 3. Okay, so that's how we do elimination. Remember, different signs we add, same sign when we subtract. We have to look for the same coefficients. Okay, so I'm going to help you guys with one more of these ones. Now, let's look at one. Actually, you know what? All these ones are good. All these ones have the same coefficient, so you don't have to worry about it. So other than that, good luck, have a great time, and I will see you guys next Monday.